Just a little test video for the waverunner Atom and the GPS Autopilot handset, which is an upgrade for any waverunner bait boat owner. So that's the boat in the water, and I've got Raymarine running on the bait boat, and I've also got the GPS handset. So first of all, what you want to do is save a starting point, and if I just hold that button down on save and click yes, that should be the home position now for the bait boat. Now I have got a point saved already, so if I go to spot 1, you can go all the way through right up to 20 in your starting point. So if I go to spot 1 and press this button and then hold down call and click yes, now the boat is fully controlling itself now. Like so. Go back to the handset. If I press cancel, cancel, cancel. We'll use this button here. Press it again. Tells you how many meters away we are from the target. And that counts down. And Raymarine, finding we've got a few fish out there. I'll get an indication that this target has been reached. I did save that on show the fish, so yeah, that's pretty accurate. Now if you come out of this and press that button, press it again, it says starting point, move that to call, hold it down, press it again, and boat should come back to the starting point that we saved a minute ago. There we go, stops automatically. It has overshot because I've left the stick in the up position. You can see that works lovely there.